Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into how to target a USA audience on Instagram in 2025. If you're a creator, business owner, or marketer looking to boost your reach in the US, you're in the right place. Instagram is a powerhouse with over 150 million users in the USA alone, and by 2025, it's evolving with AI-driven features and smarter algorithms. Let's break this down step by step so you can start targeting effectively. First, understand your audience. Research demographics like age, interests, and behaviors using Instagram Insights. For the USA market, focus on trends. Think General Z's love for short-form videos or millennials engaging with lifestyle content. This will help you tailor your posts to resonate with American viewers. Next, leverage location-based targeting. If you're running ads, go to Instagram's Ad Manager and select the USA as your primary location. You can even drill down to states, cities, or zip codes for precision. In 2025, expect enhanced AI tools that suggest optimal locations based on your content. Now, optimize your content strategy. Use hashtags that are popular in the USA, like hashtag USA Only or trending ones from events like the Super Bowl. Create content that speaks to American culture, holidays, sports, or current events. Remember, Instagram's algorithm in 2025 will prioritize authentic engagement, so encourage comments and shares to boost visibility. Don't forget analytics. Regularly check your Instagram Insights to see what's working. Track metrics like reach, impressions, and follower demographics. If you're not hitting the USA audience, tweak your posting times to peak US hours, like evenings on the East Coast. Finally, stay ahead with 2025 trends. Instagram might introduce more AR filters or shoppable posts tailored for US users, so experiment with these. The key is consistency and adaptation. Test, learn, and refine. There you have it. By following these steps, you'll be targeting a USA audience like a pro. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below on your biggest challenge. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.